the time I learned the splits from a seesaw.
You want to learn how to do the splits? If you do, don't try this at home, okay kids? I was in my car with my cousins and I was yelling, "I'm hungry" to my mom over and over. My mom sighed, wait. I was in the car for 3 hours. It was a loud, thundering puddle making tree smelling, dirty shoe, rainy day. We also wanted to go to Bandung, Indonesia because we wanted to go to ride like a roller coaster. And we also wanted to go fishing and meet our aunt that is a dentist. A few more minutes later, it was lunchtime. We saw a playground near the restaurant, but it was raining, but we still wanted to play, so we went outside anyway. We saw the bright yellow seesaw. We all wanted to play on the bright yellow seesaw. Since I was the youngest one, I get to play first. I got on the seesaw. My brother was on the other side. We played, but not for long when my big brother wanted to play. He sat on the other side. Then my big brother bounced like a ball that my legs open wide like I was doing the splits, so he can hurt me. He did it on purpose. It hurt like hell. I cried so hard that it even made a small puddle. It was also very hard to move my legs, but good thing I didn't went to the hospital. Instead, I went to the hotel we're gonna stay in. Later on that day, when my brother hurt me, I said to myself, I must get revenge. My prank is to get ice and put it on his forehead when he is sleeping. And he always says, "Renata!" My legs still hurt sometimes.